Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. So first you have to go for the Play Store, next you have to tap on the right upper corner, click to add another account and choose Google. Right now we have to wait for the login information and use the verification method. In my case it was fingerprint sensor. Next we have to input our email of account that we will log in. Click next, and right now just simply use our password, your password. Just take a look. When you input your password, you have to click next on the right bottom corner, click agree, and right now we can just simply go back to the Play Store. Okay, let's turn it on back. Tap on the right upper corner, and as you can see right now we are logged in with two accounts and we can easily switch between them by tapping it just like that. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.